Welcome to the deep dive. A common headache for small businesses and for Acumatica consultants too is just getting a clear picture of vendor payments.
Oh, absolutely. Trying to see who you paid, how much, over a specific time. It often means digging.
Right, digging through transaction after transaction, it really slows things down when you need quick financial insights.
Definitely a bottleneck. You end up spending valuable time just compiling data.
So today, we're diving into a neat solution for this exact problem. It comes from Swetha, an associate functional consultant over at Tiana Solutions.
Yes. Swetha, she's got, what, 15 years in the ERP space?
That's right. Loads of experience implementing and supporting different systems. Apparently, she's handled over 1,000 unique scenarios reports, generic inquiries, you name it.
Yeah, so she really gets the practical side of things, the day-to-day data challenges businesses run into with their ERPs, real hands-on knowledge.
Okay, so let's paint the picture. A client needs to know, say, the total amount paid to vendor X last month. Not each individual payment, but the sum.
hmm The usual way. You'd probably run a report of individual payments, maybe export it, then manually sum it up for that vendor.
Time consuming and, easy to make a mistake.
Precisely. And that's where this custom Acumatica generic inquiry comes in. Swetha built one called, simply enough, Total Vendor Payment.
Okay, a generic inquiry, or GI, for folks maybe less familiar, that's basically Acumatica's tool for creating custom views of your data, right? Without complex code.
Exactly. It's a really powerful way to slice and dice information. So this specific GI, how does it work its magic?
Good question. How does it pull that total together?
Well, at its heart, it links two key pieces of information in Acumatica. Your AP payments, so the actual payment records,
Okay.
and your vendor master files. It creates a relationship between those two.
Got it. So it connects the payment to the supplier.
Right. Then, crucially, it adds parameters, a date from and a date to.
So the user can specify the exact period they care about, like last month or this quarter.
Yep. Complete flexibility there. And here's the key part for getting the total.
Hmm.
The results are grouped up by the vendor ID.
So instead of seeing like 10 lines for 10 payments to vendor
You
X.
see one line for vendor X showing the sum, the total amount paid to them within that date range you set.
That's smart. Cuts right through the clutter.
It really does. And the output gives you the key info you'd expect. The vendor's account ID and name, the total original payment amount, document balance, even the currency ID.
So a nice, concise summary for each vendor.
Exactly. Comprehensive but easy to digest.
Could you walk us through a quick example how it helps in practice?
Sure. Let's say you're doing your monthly expense review. Instead of that manual summing process we talked about,
Mm-hmm.
you just run this GI, you pop into the start and end dates for the month, bang.
No,
Instantly
sir.
you see a list, vendor A, total paid, vendor B, total paid, and so on.
Okay, so you can immediately spot who your biggest spends were with that month.
Right. Makes analysis much faster. Planning becomes easier. You compare this month to last month easily, too.
That really drives home the efficiency gain. It's about getting that aggregated data easily, isn't it, for faster decisions?
It is. And, this is just one example. Think about how many processes could be streamlined in Acumatica with tailored solutions like this. It unlocks insights hidden in all that transaction data.
So if anyone listening is thinking, yeah, I face that challenge, or similar ones, Tiana Solutions, being the largest Acumatica services partner, has folks like Swetha.
Right. Consultants who really specialize in digging into a business's needs and building these practical custom fixes within Acumatica, they help optimize the whole system.
So if you want to streamline things, get support issues sorted quickly, or see how a custom GI like this vendor payment one could help your business,
Tiana Solutions is definitely worth contacting.
yeah, give them a call at 678-910-2774. You can book an appointment, chat about your specific situation.
It just makes you pause and think, doesn't it? How much faster could things be if the data you needed was just right there, consolidated and ready?
Yes, exactly. A final thought for everyone listening. How could readily accessible, consolidated data empower your financial decisions? Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.